Look closely at this math problem. So what do you think the answer is? 0 or negative 25? You have only 5 seconds to get the answer. Ready? If you said 0, let me guess exactly what happened in your head. You thought 5 minus 5 equals 0. Then again, 5 minus 5 equals 0. And finally, 0 times 0 equals 0. Clean, fast, and it even feels logical. But that answer is wrong. And this is exactly where most people fall into the trap. Because math doesn't follow good feelings. It follows rules. So what's the correct answer? In this video, we're not only going to find the correct answer to this question, we're going to learn a general method so that anytime you see a mixed expression, one that includes multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and fractions, you won't get fooled by shortcuts again. That's why I prepared 5 questions, from easy to hard. Each one has a common trap, and by solving them, you'll sharpen your mind and strengthen your math foundation. Ready? All right, before we move on to question 2, let's solve question 1 the right way. Here we have 3 operations, 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. To solve these correctly, we use PEMDAS. PEMDAS tells us the order of operations. It goes like this. First, parentheses. Second, exponents. Third, multiplication and division. These two have the same priority, but they come after parentheses and exponents. Fourth, addition and subtraction. These two also have the same priority, but they come after multiplication and division. What does that mean? It means when you have different operations in one expression, you scan from left to right, and you always do the higher priority operation first. So in this problem, according to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. That means we do the multiplication first, then we do the subtractions. So 5 times 5 equals 25. Now the expression becomes 5 minus 25 minus 5. And here's a key point. When operations are at the same level, like 2 subtractions in a row, you go from left to right. So 5 minus 25 equals negative 20. Then negative 20 minus 5 equals negative 25. Done. The correct answer to question 1 is negative 25. Enjoyed that? Now, let's go to question 2. This one tricks a lot of people because it looks like the same shortcut from the previous question. But you have to be careful. Question number 2. 7 minus 2 times open parenthesis 7 minus 2 close parenthesis. Is it 25 or negative 3? You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is negative 3. If you got 25, you probably did this. You said 7 minus 2 equals 5. And inside the parentheses, 7 minus 2 also equals 5. So 5 times 5 equals 25. But the problem is, you didn't fully follow the order of operations. In PEMDAS rule, parentheses come first. That means we must solve inside the parentheses, then do multiplication, and only then do subtraction. So inside the parentheses, 7 minus 2 equals 5. Now the expression becomes 7 minus 2 times 5. Now we do multiplication first. 2 times 5 equals 10. Then 7 minus 10 equals negative 3. So the correct answer to question 2 is negative 3. If you'd like to go deeper into PEMDAS rule and see more tricky examples, I definitely recommend watching a full video just on that topic. All right, ready for question number 3? Question number 3. 3 plus 3 times 3 whole divided by 3. What's your answer? 4 or 6? You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is 4. If you said 4, congratulations. But if you said 6, you probably did this. From the left, you said 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then 6 times 3 equals 18. Then 18 divided by 3 equals 6. But according to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than addition. So first we calculate 3 times 3, which equals 9. Then 3 plus 9 equals 12. And 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So the correct answer to this question is 4. If you've been getting these right so far, that means you're actually using the rules correctly. And if you missed one or two, that's totally fine. What matters is that you're seeing the pattern now, and from here on, you'll know exactly what to do. Ready for the next question? All right. Question number 4. 40 divided by 4 over 3 times 3. Which one is correct? 10 or 90? You have only 5 seconds to get the answer. Ready? Yes, the correct answer is 90. But if you said 10, let me guess what you did. You said the 3 cancels with the 3. Then you're left with 40 and 4. And 40 divided by 4 equals 10. That kind of cancellation feels satisfying, but it's not allowed here. Why? Because in PEMDAS, multiplication and division are at the same level. And when they're at the same level, you must do them from left to right. That means we must first compute 40 divided by 4 over 3, and only then multiply the result by 3. Now, I know dividing by a fraction can feel hard, and this is exactly where the KFC rule helps. The KFC rule for dividing fractions. K means keep the first fraction. F means flip the second fraction. C means change division into multiplication. So A over B divided by C over D becomes A over B times D over C. Simple. Now let's use it in our problem. We keep 40, then we flip 4 over 3. So it becomes 3 over 4, and we change division into multiplication. So the full expression becomes 40 times 3/4 times 3. At this point, everything is multiplication, and we can simplify. 4 cancels with 40, leaving 10. Then 10 times 3 equals 90. So the correct answer to question 4 is 90, not 10. And now the last question. The expression is 9 divided by 9 divided by 9 divided by 9. What's the answer? 1 or 1 over 81? You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is 1 over 81. If you said 1, you probably thought 9 divided by 9 equals 1, and 9 divided by 9 equals 1, so 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But here's the rule you missed. When you have repeated operations at the same level, like multiple divisions, you must go from left to right, one step at a time. You cannot jump and pair them up. So we start from the left. 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Now the expression becomes 1 divided by 9 divided by 9. Again from the left, 1 divided by 9 equals 1 over 9. Now the expression becomes 1 over 9 divided by 9. Now we use KFC again. Keep 1 over 9, flip 9 to 1 over 9, and change division to multiplication. So it becomes 1 over 9 times 1 over 9, which equals 1 over 81. Done. The correct answer to the last question is 1 over 81. Now that we've seen 5 classic traps, you can probably understand why these simple-looking problems go viral. Your brain loves shortcuts, but math loves rules. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. The next video is part 2, with more advanced questions using these same simple rules. And if you want to prepare for that video and go deeper into PEMDAS and the KFC rule, watch the recommended videos too, and stay tuned. See you in the next video.